Why do we convince ourselves we're doing okay financially, right up until the moment when our bank account tells us a completely different story? It's not necessarily because we're bad with money. It's because most of us can't see the truth about our money. And that lack of clarity, that's what keeps so many of us stuck even when we're trying our best. Well, today I'm going to start something brand new on the channel. It'll be a weekly challenge that we're going to take together one step at a time. Every week we're going to take one simple action, nothing overwhelming, just something that helps us earn more, owe less, and live better. No criticism and no stress. Just small steps forward with support. The first challenge is a foundation we're going to build the rest of it on. Now to get started, we have to know where we're at in order to know how to get where we're going. Personally, I'm a visual person. I like to see what I'm dealing with and be hands-on. So our challenge this week is simple. We're going to set up our budget tracker. It's not a complicated system, just a clear starting point, a snapshot of where our money is actually going. And we can do this in one of two ways. Now you can just grab a pen and paper, or you can download the free Forge Your Life budget and debt tracker that I built and is linked below. It's easy to use, fully automated, and best of all, it's free. I even made a great tutorial video to show you how it works. Believe me, it's a great tool. So why start here? Because we can't change what we can't see. Most of us don't actually have a money problem, we have a visibility problem. But the moment that we see where our money is actually going, everything will start to make sense. A lot of people think that budgeting is too hard or boring, or that it just limits your freedom. But the truth is, a budget doesn't restrict us, it actually releases us. It replaces anxiety with awareness, guessing with direction, chaos with confidence. And clarity is always the first step in taking back control. Every week will be a new video where we can post and discuss our wins for the week and our struggles. We'll also set a new challenge, something doable, yet effective in achieving our end goals, a better financial life. My win for this week is finishing the budget and debt tracker that you can get today. I rebuilt it, simplified it, corrected a few things, and made it into something we can actually use. Next week, I hope we'll all be celebrating everyone who completed the first challenge together. So here's our first step. I need you to download the tracker or make your own. Fill in your income and expenses, get as much budget done as you can. Then comment "tracker is done" in the comments so that we can cheer each other on. Next week, I'll highlight some of our wins and I'll drop challenge number 2. Remember, we're creating a plan and working it together. So let's forge our lives together, one challenge at a time.